What's up, Team Fullest? This again, AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Quick Up my canal. So, I have actually made this video, but my phone had some issues, and I had to restart my phone again fresh from like factory hard resets. So all the contents that I had on my phone, everything was gone. So actually guys, I'm back again to do quick unboxing on this AliExpress wig. You guys know I like to show you guys when I buy wig from AliExpress, just so you guys know the kind of wig that I have. So I picked up two hair from AliExpress. I picked up multiple hair, but I'm going to show you guys these two first on this video. So I picked up a pony and Afro Kinky human hair 360 lace. So first, let's start. First of all, I want to say there's this DHL Express. If you're going to buy this hair, if you ever asking me for the link, maybe you have to talk to the person that sells the hair, not to ship at DHL Express or whatever is this. When this hair came, I had to pay like €45 extra tax in Holland for this hair, which I was like, really? Actually, I was like really pissed, but I was like, okay, it is what it is, because it's like the shipping is half of the price of the hair that I paid, because I picked up this hair for, let me go back and show you guys how much I pick up this hair. Yeah, and I was like, it's very crazy, and that I had to pay that amount of shipping. I picked this hair up. I pick a bunch of stuff from AliExpress, so I'm trying to I picked this hair for €109.61, but then I had to pay €45 in Holland for tax, which I don't know why, but it's DH Express, so that is how they do. And I'm never gonna buy something again and let them ship it with DHL Express. So this is something new to me. It happened before once, but then it wasn't that expensive. I paid like €20, but this time was like 45. I was like, okay. So let me show you guys the hair. So it came in this plastic. You guys know the DHL plastic, and when you open the hair, you get a box. Okay, so this is the company from AliExpress where I get. You can also check their own website as well. They have websites and Facebook, Instagram, on YouTube as well. This is the name of the company. So when you open the hair, this is what the inside of the box look like. So when you take the hair out, you get an eyelash, you get a cap, and you also get an elastic band in case you want to add an elastic band for extra security. So let's put this one here. So the hair I got is 360, and it is, how many inches is it? I can't, oh, they did not write how many inches it is. It was, how many inches was it? Oh yeah, it was 10 inches. 10 inches, because it's meant to put everything up and then put a pony. So it's 10 inches, 360. So the hair is really beautiful. Actually, I've already opened it, you guys know. So before, because I was like, I have to pay that much money, let me open it and see what the hair is looking like. So as you guys can see, it has this factory smell that I just do not like. So this is what the hair is looking like. It looks very beautiful. It looks really nice. Actually, it looks like your natural hair but being blow dry. This is how the hair looks like. It is very, very beautiful. It's really, really nice. You have lace all over, so you can actually wear it and put it as a pony if you want to. So this is what the hair is looking like. So let me just turn the cap around and show you what the inside of the hair is looking like. So this is what the inside is looking like. So you have like 4 combs. You have 1 comb here at the back, 1 here, 1 at the front, 1 at the side. So you have like 2 combs here and just like this way. And you also have a little bit of adjustable elastic band, and then you have like a lot of space here with the lace, and then also you have all the way backward. So this is what this one looks like. It looks really, really beautiful. I really, really like it. It looks super, super. I've just oiled my head, so I don't want to put it on, so I don't want to mess up. I don't want the oil of the smell of this hair, of this head on my head right now. And I also don't want to mess the hair oil, because I just oiled my hair with some hair oil. So yeah, because I'm about to go to bed. So yeah, it looks really, really nice. I really, really love it. It is very, very beautiful. It just looks like when you blow dry your hair. So the plan is to get this one all the way to pony, and then get an extra ponytail and put it on top. Or you can actually wear this on its own, which is really nice. It just feels like your natural hair. So this is what this one looks like, you guys can see. And now the next hair we're going to talk about is a pony. So this is a pony. I got this pony as, this is 24 inches. This is also a human hair pony. So this pony was a bit expensive, actually. Was a bit expensive. Let me go back. So the pony is just the same. The pony was 77 euros. Let me see. Yeah, I paid for the pony 65. Yeah, nah. My total cost was 65 euros because, yeah. So the pony, what do I have in my mouth? Oh yeah, the pony is just the same as the hair. It is like really Afro kinky human hair. It's like when you have like a blow dry. So when you look at the pony and you look at the hair, there's actually no difference. The only thing is that maybe the pony is longer than the hair, but they are like they're the same. So the plan is to like get the hair into a bun and then fix this pony on top. So this is 24 inches long and it's very, very soft. You can actually wear this on its own. So this one came with two of this cap, 2 of this pin, and then you have adjustable elastic band, which you can like pull like this if you want to. You can pull like this and then clip the hair into your pony and then tie it up. So this is what this one is looking like. I'm super, super excited. Actually, you guys want the honest truth? I ordered, this is what I ordered, but they sent me 2 ponies. The first they sent me this one, which I was actually supposed to ship this back to the lady, because this is what I ordered. I ordered this kind of pony and she sent me this pony. So she sent me this and then I sent her a message. I'm like, no, this is not the pony I ordered. I wanted this one. You sent me the wrong one. And she was like, okay, we are going to send you a new one. Can you please, after we send you the new one, can you please ship this back to us? And I was like, okay, cool, I can ship back to you guys. I have no issue with it. So I said, first of all, send me the one first. Let me receive the real one. And after a couple of days, she sent me this one and I received it. And then we were talking on AliExpress on the chat room. And she was like, what is your PayPal account? And I was like, PayPal? I was like, no, I don't have PayPal account. She's like, I said, she's like, how do you pay on AliExpress? I said, I use Ideal on AliExpress to pay, Ideal payment. So I don't have a PayPal. And she was like, so how are you going to ship the hair? I'm like, because she was going to pay for the shipping cost, and I'll just ship the hair back, because I'm going to ship it all the way to China, so the shipping cost is a little bit expensive. If it's like somewhere around Holland, maybe you pay like €6, €5, but international shipping is expensive, and then it's expensive. So she was like, okay, you can't send it and all of that. So she made like this, how do you call it? She made like this, you know, AliExpress, they can make you, send you a betal, I don't know how to call it in English, a payment. But then instead of me paying €65 for this, I paid a little bit lesser, because I couldn't ship it back. I don't have PayPal for her to send me the shipping cost. I don't have PayPal. And she was like, okay, are you willing to buy this one for a cheaper price? And I was like, it depends how cheap, because actually this is not what I want, but it looks nice, and I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube on how to fix it. And so I thought, okay, how much? And then she gave me a huge, when I said a huge discount, because I couldn't ship it. That's the only thing I could do for her, like maybe pay for the hair. So she gave me a huge discount for this one. So actually I could actually keep this one. I don't need to ship it anymore. But yeah, so this is this. Then I have this one. So this one, I'm definitely going to be using it for my hair, because I really like it. It looks really nice. So that is it. These are the hair that I picked up. So I have this one, I have this one, and I also have this one. Yes. So guys, this is it. If you guys want to know, if you guys want to pick up this hair, I've already sent you guys the name. I've already shown you guys the name of the company that I get the hair from. Just that you have to be careful if you live in Holland, and they are going to use DHL Express. Be careful, because I'm not saying anything, but I'm saying something. So just be careful, yeah? So TeamFullest, let me know what you all think in the description box, in the comment box. If you guys have any question, let me know, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doo-doo.